Let's jump inside the accounts payable aging summary. And what we're going to discover here is what is the difference between current and report date. Okay, so I've got this $10 bill here that I'm going to pay tomorrow. So let me open this up. Mark it paid, and we're just going to make it the future date be, let's say, let's go tomorrow. Okay, save and close. And I'm going to return back to the accounts payable aging summary, and we're going to discover that the report date truly is as of the report date. So notice that that $10 bill was paid on 4/21. So in order to actually see the true accounts payable, we would change the method to current and then run report. And that disappeared there, okay? So that's the difference between aging method of current. Current is going to only reveal what is currently truly paid, whereas the report date is really going to pay super close attention to those paid dates, and it will populate as of this certain date here. Anything that's post-dated in the future will not show up on the report date. Yeah, I switched to current here. So I know it's a little tricky here, and it can cause a little bit of confusion on, hey, wait a minute, we got this bill paid here, and so the ones that will be needing this will be the ones that schedule future date payment dates for future. And so just know that you can switch over to current at any time. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching.